Did you know Jeep made 3 pre-production Cherokee prototypes in the late 1960s and called each of them the Jeep Renegade? Welcome to this week's Jeep history video. If you're new around here, hit subscribe for more videos just like this and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Alright, let's get into it. The first prototype I'd like to show you is dated back from April of 1969 and was given the nickname Proposal A. This Jeep is a two-door vehicle with a hood, fender, doors, and quarters, and maybe even the rear, all sharing the same components as a Jeep Wagoneer from its time. Up front, it's got a Lego-looking square grille with circular headlights. And out back there is a large window that looks pretty different from what we ended up getting with the 1974 Jeep Cherokee. These prototypes were options for Jeep to put into production for the Jeep Cherokee. Now in 1974, Jeep released the Cherokee to the world, and it was the two-door Wagoneer. However, with these 3 proposals that I'm showing you, they were going to name the Cherokee the Jeep Renegade. How crazy would that have been? This next prototype I'm going to show you is nicknamed Proposal B and dated back to April of 1969 again. Up front, you can see that Jeep Razor grille. Absolutely love it, and that's what we ended up getting on the 74 Cherokee, so that was a good move. It's got a nice, simple bumper up front. The door, hood, fender, and the quarter all look to be about the same as the Jeep Wagoneer and the Cherokee. It's got a little bit of a different window shape on the door. It looks a little bit more curved. And that quarter window out back looks a lot bigger than the 74 Cherokee. I kind of like how they implemented this window on this prototype versus the 74 Cherokee production model. And I also like that wide track treatment with the bigger flares up front and rear. Compared to the last prototype, we didn't get any. I also would like to mention the wheels. They look a little bit more sporty as compared to the last one. I like the wheels a lot. Nice wheel covers. This next prototype I'd like to show you is nicknamed Proposal B and dated to April of 69 again. Up front, we got that Rhino grille, the same face that the 63 to 65 Wagoneer wore. The two-door Wagoneer from 63 to 65 was indeed a thing, and that was the panel delivery van. And they also did have a regular two-door available as well. Again, the fender, hood, door, and the quarter look all to be the same as the outgoing Wagoneer. Out back, that quarter window looks a lot bigger than the 74 Cherokee again. I like how big the windows are in the back of these prototypes. What do you think about these 3 prototypes? Should Jeep have made any of these instead of the 74 Cherokee that we got? If you made it to the end of the video, thanks so much for sticking around. Let me know your thoughts down below. Give the video a thumbs up and check out my other Jeep history videos that are linked on the channel. When I'm putting together one of these videos for you guys, it takes a lot of time and a lot of resources to gather all the information and pictures. So if you could, give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below what you thought of the video. Thanks again for spending some time with me today, and hopefully we'll see you in next week's Wagoneer Wednesday video. Take care.